Did you know that hearing aid accessories can enhance your hearing experience? Let's explore some options. Remote controls allow you to adjust volume and settings discreetly. This can be particularly useful in noisy environments. Smartphone apps can personalize your hearing experience. They can adjust settings based on your location or even stream phone calls directly to your hearing aids. Bluetooth streaming devices can enhance your hearing experience in various ways. For example, they can stream music directly to your hearing aids or even connect to your TV. Accessories can make a significant difference in your hearing experience. In fact, the Better Hearing Institute found that they can improve speech understanding by up to 60%. We hope this video was of value to you. Remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the hearing department at Enticare if you have any questions.